It's your man Alex, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video specifically, I want to give a channel update to you guys, let you guys know what's going on with my channel, because there is something that I've been wanting to talk about with you guys for the past couple weeks, couple months. As you guys may or may not know, I'm pretty big on YouTube specifically for my self haircuts and then men's grooming videos. Due to my success with my self haircut videos, I started to limit myself and niche my channel, and I never really wanted to do that from the beginning. So I would only talk about self haircuts and men's grooming on the channel, and that's pretty much all I would talk about. I saw the amount of value that I was providing with these videos, and I knew there was a lot of people that wanted to keep watching these videos and had a lot of interest in them. And don't get me wrong, I love making content about self haircuts and men's grooming. It's really a big interest for myself as well. But the problem came in when I started to limit myself and limit my channel. So it's nothing on you guys, it's really on myself and the way that I've carried the plan for my YouTube channel. I really started to limit myself with my content and put it in a niche direction. And that's not really what I wanted to do from the beginning, before I even started my YouTube channel. So really, I don't want my audience to think that this is the only content you're ever going to receive, which is self haircuts and men's grooming, because that's not what I want to do. If I wanted you guys to know that this was a niche channel, I would have changed the name to like Self Haircut Central or DIY Men's Grooming or something crazy like that. But the name of my YouTube channel is my name, because the channel is going to be just things that I like to talk about and things that I see value in and I want to share with the world. It's nothing niche, it's just things that I think are great and can provide a lot of value for everybody else that's watching. For example, if you scroll back to my original YouTube videos, it's strictly fitness, and then throughout the channel I've been doing men's grooming and self haircuts. There's also some fitness videos inside there as well. I know I'm known mostly for my self haircut videos and men's grooming. That's not the entire route that I want to take this channel on. There's 100 other routes that I want to go down as well with this channel than just the strict self haircut and men's grooming route. So I want to make it completely clear to you guys that I love making self haircut videos, no doubt. I've been doing it for the past 10 years, as you guys know. I mean, these self haircuts, you know, they don't just come up magically. I don't go to the barbershop magically and then get it cut and then come back and make a video. So with that being said, I don't plan on stopping making self haircut videos whatsoever, because I already know how much value they provide for all of you guys watching. The self haircut videos and the men's grooming videos, they're not going anywhere. I want everybody that's watching, including myself, to become a smarter individual that understands and knows everything that's going on in this world and the best ways for us to grow and continue to see success throughout our life. So just so you guys know, self haircuts and men's grooming is not the only thing that I think about and talk about on a day-to-day basis. I think about everything that's necessary in this world for us to grow and become more successful individuals. So this way we have knowledge in every aspect of life, and we don't purposefully limit our mindsets to skills and other qualities. My goal with YouTube is really just to make content that I love and enjoy making, and to provide you guys as much value as possible. So I don't know if you guys have seen this or not, but in my channel, on my channel art, in the bottom right corner, there's a little quote that I have, and it says, "Boss up and be happy." And let me tell you something. If I continue limiting myself, limiting my channel, and limiting the information that you guys are receiving, okay, putting us in this single box, we're not going to be able to boss up and be happy, because we're only going to know a small amount of information. You know, hair only grows back, you know, so often. There's only so many times I can cut my own hair within a month, or shave my beard or whatnot, and talk about men's grooming or self haircuts. So it's only a matter of time before I run out of good quality ideas and the amount of quality information I can provide to everybody without having to say the same thing over and over every single week, and then my channel just pretty much becomes boring and dead at that point. I'm not going to limit myself and you guys to this single box of information. I don't think that's very fair for any of us. I think it's a huge disservice for myself and for you guys. We'll be missing out on millions of other boxes of quality information. And once I start talking about everything else along with self haircuts and men's grooming, I'm going to combine all these boxes together. Then we will start to see us really bossing up and being happy. So with all this being said, still keep a lookout for my self haircut videos and my men's grooming videos, but also keep an eye out for other videos that I want to create that are going to help us men out, such as fitness, making money online, finances, real estate, investing, lifestyle, other types of DIY work, and a whole lot more. Anything that I believe will be beneficial for myself and for you guys, I will openly speak about and provide you guys with as much value as I can while still creating content that's fun and enjoyable to watch. So I want to thank you guys so much for your support up to this point. It's you guys that gave me a stronger voice in this world, and I really just want to repay that back by creating the best content that I can possibly create. So with all that being said, I hope you guys have a great rest of your day. Thank you so much just for listening to what I had to say in this video, but I'll catch you guys next time. Peace.